Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this. I'm Matthew Olushola Levi, and very quickly, I want to talk to you about why people don't make sales in business, and it is because of this one thing. A lot of business owners, entrepreneurs, if you run a business, physical or online business, a lot of people don't make sales because of this thing I'm going to show you. Now, if you can implement this thing successfully, yes, your business is going to more than double. Your income is going to more than double. All right, so pay attention. I'll be talking to you about something called a sales funnel. A sales funnel. All right, so let me just get that here. Sales funnel. Okay. Sorry. Okay, good. Now, simple. What's a sales funnel? Okay, so a sales funnel is just a series of steps that you want to take people through before they actually purchase your product or services. Okay, you can take them through 3 steps, 100 steps. It all depends on you. But hang on, I know you don't understand this yet, but just wait. Okay, so that is what a sales funnel is basically. Now imagine you just showing up at a place and then just screaming to people, come and buy my book, come and buy my book, or whatever it is you're selling, come and buy my service, come and buy my service. Nobody knows you. People will just look at you like, who is this one? How about I get out of this place? Now unfortunately, that is what a lot of people do online. Okay, and this is known as spamming. You just go into people's inbox and then you just start talking about your product or your services, or you go to some groups or something, or you send people messages on WhatsApp that they don't even need, that they should come and buy your books. Why am I saying books? That they should come and buy your products, your services and things and blah blah blah. And then nobody buys from you because they are not interested. That is because you do not have a sales funnel in place. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how you can build one and how you can use it successfully. Okay, so the first thing that you need in a sales funnel is a traffic source. Don't worry, you'll get it. Okay, let me just put this here. Let me call this traffic source. Okay, so that's the first thing you need. Okay, you need a traffic source first of all. Okay, so simply put, a traffic source is just where people gather. Okay, a traffic source is just where people gather. You just go there and you see a lot of people. Now think of this: a woman selling pure water on the road. The people inside buses are a traffic source. They are the potential people that will buy from her. Okay, those are potential customers. Okay, so she needs to get close to those buses. Okay, so that is a potential traffic source. Now not everyone in the bus will buy, do you understand? But some people will buy in the end. But the first thing is she needs to go and meet those people in the bus. That is our own source of traffic. Now for you who run a business online or offline, both businesses are online these days, so I'm assuming yours is online as well. It has to be online. Okay, so for you now, your traffic source basically would be, it could be Facebook. That's where people are. Facebook ads. Let's say we'll be using Facebook ads. Okay, you can use Google ads as well, or Instagram ads. Do you understand now? Okay, so those are your own sources of traffic. All right, so you go to Facebook, you get people on Google, get them on Instagram ads as well. Now the next thing you need to do now is you need to interest people in your services. Okay, you need to actually interest people in your services. Now how do you do this? Okay, you do this by offering people something, okay, for free. Okay, you can offer them free advice, a free ebook, a free video, just something So attract them in. Okay, and that's it. All right, so here's what you're going to do now. Okay, so we're already building a sales funnel, don't worry. Okay, so from here now, you're going to create something called an opt-in page. Okay, so you're going to have your opt-in here. Now this is where you're going to offer people something. Okay, now imagine the woman selling pure water. Let's say she's selling bottled water. All right, this is just an example. And then she says come and buy your free pure water, come and get your free pure water, come and get your free pure water. Now people will rush there. Okay, now out of those people that are buying pure water from her, she can still sell a bottled water to some of those people. I mean, that's how it is. Okay, now she can even make her pure water so small so that people will want more. Okay, and then that is when she will sell a bottled water. Okay, so this is what the opt-in page is for. Okay, your opt-in page. Okay, this is your opt-in page. Opt-in page. All right, this is where you offer people your free services, your free products. Okay, now your opt-in page, you could be offering a free ebook. All right, you could be offering a free video. A free video, you know, just explaining things to people, you know, just offer them advice that is going to be really helpful to them, that they can use in their lives. Okay, so a free video, you can offer a blog post, you know, you can offer a free audio. Okay, so for example, let's say you're selling hair products. Now in your opt-in page, you can offer people say a blog post on how to take care of their hair. Do you understand that kind of a thing? Okay, so you can say, oh, if you want this free ebook, please drop your email. Please drop your email or your WhatsApp number. Now that is what the opt-in page is for. It is used to collect people's contact. Okay, and people are not going to give you their contact if they are not getting anything in return. Okay, that is important. Okay, so you collect emails here, emails or number. Okay, that is what you collect in your opt-in page. All right, so from Facebook ads, you run your Facebook ads to this page, to your opt-in page. Okay, and then on your opt-in page, you are offering people something in return for their emails or their number. Okay, so now after you've done that, so the next thing now, you need to go to your segue page. Okay, a segue page, I'll tell you what that is, but stay with me. A segue page. Okay, this is a segue page. Okay, now basically what the segue page is for is to pre-sell people. Okay, now here is what I mean. Now after people have given you their emails and their phone number, you know, let's say you're talking about hair. Now you're saying, oh, do you know, in your opt-in page, you're saying, let's use hair products for example. Now you're saying, look, I have this free ebook that tells you how to have a thicker, darker and nicer hair. Now you can have this in 90 days. Okay, I mean, ladies would love that. Okay, you can have this in 90 days, and then they drop their emails or number. All right, that is it. Okay, so once they drop it, they go to this segue page. Now in this segue page, you're going to pre-sell them. Okay, now here is what you are going to be doing in the pre-sell page, on the segue page rather. You are going to tell them, hey, look, after you have read that post, I even have a shorter way to make your hair fuller, darker and nicer. Okay, and you can achieve this in just 3 weeks. Okay, That is what the segue page is for. Okay, you can achieve this in just 3 weeks. Now you can wait for 90 days if you'd like, or if you want it to become darker and nicer, faster, you can check out my product here. You can check out our product on the next page. Okay, that is what this segue page is for. Now once they are interested in making their airflow in 21 days, that's 3 weeks, you take them to your sales page. Okay, so let's go to the sales page. Take them to your sales page. Okay, so sales page. All right, now sorry. Okay, so the sales page, this is where you just sell your product. Okay, you talk about the benefits, you talk about the features, why they should have it, how it has helped them, how it has helped other people. That is what you use your sales page for. Okay, sell your products on this page here. Okay, you talk about the benefits, why they need it, how it has helped other people, and everything like that. Okay, so basically this is a sales funnel. Okay, this is a sales funnel simply. Now let me show you one thing though. Most people are not likely to buy your products the first time they come in contact with your pages. Okay, so that is why you need to collect their emails or their phone number, you know, that is why you need to collect their emails or phone number on your opt-in page. Okay, so this is what you're going to do on your opt-in page. You're collecting emails and phone number. Now you are collecting this so that you can send them reminders. Okay, you can send them reminders about your product and your services, digital or physical product, anything at all you're selling. Okay, so you collect emails here. All right, emails or phone numbers. Now this is just so you can continue your relationship with them. Okay, now after you've collected their email or phone number, you know they are not going to buy even after going through this thing the first time. So once you have their email or their phone number, you can keep sending them messages that lead them, you know, to your sales page here. Okay, just keep sending messages that leads them to your sales page. All right, so basically there are more complicated funnels than this, but this is how a funnel starts. This is the whole idea of a funnel. Okay, so let's say you have 7,000 people. Let's say you have 7,000 people check out your ads here. Okay, out of those 7,000 people, now let's say 3,000 people give you their emails. Okay, now that is 3,000 people, they give you their emails. All right, so let's move on. Now you have okay, let's say 3,000 people check out your opt-in page, and then let's say 1,500 people give you their emails. Now this is a potential 1,500 people that want to buy from you. Okay, so let's say you have a product of, let's say 4,000 naira. Sorry, let's say you have a 4,000 naira product. Okay, now out of this 4,000 naira, let's say 100 people buy in a month. Okay, that is just, I mean, it's not impossible. Out of 1,500 people, 100 people should buy your product. Okay, so 100 people buy. Now multiply 100 by 4,000. That is 400,000 naira. Am I right? So that is how a funnel works. Okay, and that is how you do your maths simply. Okay, from your ad to your opt-in page to your segue page to your sales page, emails to sales page again,